guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily zoom in and zoom out in your videos on CapCut PC using keyframes. So we are just going to select the clip and we are going to add a keyframe here. You can also just add a keyframe to the scale one right here, but if you for instance want to zoom in to a certain part, you do need to keyframe everything, so I just usually keyframe everything. Once you've done selecting that, go to a part where you want to zoom in and you're just going to scale it, and you can also move it so it zooms in to the person instead of somewhere else. It's going to stay on that kind of frame, and then if you want to zoom out, you're just going to scale out again, but make sure the position is kind of in the middle. You can double click it to put the position back, and as you can see, it's zoomed in and zoomed out. And the speed is definitely depending on the keyframe. So for instance, if you want the zoom to be faster, you're going to put the keyframe closer to each other. So I'm just going to show you here. If I put the keyframe closer together and zoomed in, the zoom will be faster. Look, this is the keyframes further apart. It is a little bit slower, and this is what it looks like when the keyframes are closer together. As you can see, the zoom part is faster because we put the keyframes closer to each other. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!